Let's get it. Let's get it. Yo, what's good, everybody? I'm about to show y'all how to make your first dollar online. If you don't know who I am Digital Dez. Now, let's get right into it, man. So the first step you're going to need to start making your first dollar online. First, obviously, you're going to need a product to sell to people. Now, since we're doing this online, let's forget about physical products. We'll be doing this with digital products. Now, digital products are just products that are digitally online. So you don't even have to worry about inventory. You don't even have to worry about looking at this product. This digital product will be strictly online so anybody else can download it. Now, after we have this digital product, now we can either create this from scratch or we can use someone else's. So you don't have to create a digital product from scratch. You can literally use someone else's product that they already created. It's literally that simple. Now, step two, we need a place to host this digital product so people can come and get our digital product. So we need a storefront. Now you can either choose between StanStore. Now StanStore, it is $30 a month, or you can either choose Gumroad. Gumroad is completely free. So if you want to go the free route, you can choose Gumroad. And if you do want to try out StanStore, there is a 2-week free trial. So step three, after we have our storefront set up, we now need to get eyeballs on our product, because if people don't see our digital product, how are we going to make any sales? How are we going to make any money? Now, step three, we start promoting on social media. Now, choose any social media that you feel comfortable posting on. This can be TikTok, this can be YouTube, this can be Instagram. Just choose whatever social media platform that you feel comfortable posting on. Now, there it is, the 3 steps that you'll need to start making your first dollar online. Now, if you have any questions about digital products, the storefronts, promoting on social media, or just social media in general, drop those comments in the comments. I said drop those comments in the comments. Drop those questions in the comment section. I'll answer your questions. And then if you want me to record more videos like this answering your questions, I will do that. And there it is, man. That is how you can start making your first dollar online. A simple 3-step process. Step 1, find a digital product. Step 2, set up your storefront so you can host this digital product so people can come get it from you. Step 3, you start promoting on social media so you can start grabbing eyeballs and attention. And that's literally it, man. That is how you're going to start making your first dollar online. And with that being said, Digital Dez is out, man.